The National Urban League grew out of a grassroots movement for freedom and opportunity for African Americans. The National Council of Urban League Guilds was later formed as a volunteer auxiliary to provide a means of financial support and community outreach. And now the League has created a volunteer auxiliary group to extend the movement to the next generation of African American leaders. That organization will be known as the National Urban League Young Professionals.
Our strength lies in our diversity, that there is something here for everyone. Whatever talents you might have or aspirations you may have, you can bring them here to NULYP.
Throughout the last 25 years, young people have been involved in the Urban League movement in many ways, in organizations that went by several different names. The Young Professionals movement as we know it today began in Philadelphia in 1987 with the first ULYP chapter. Since then, the movement has grown to 18 chapters nationwide, with several others targeted to start by the end of the year. Beginning with the existing ULYP chapters, we will reach out to young professionals over 18 around the country. We are joining forces to unite our talents, ideas, and energies to further the goals of the National Urban League.
Anybody who has any interest in giving back to the community, community service in general, there's some place for you with the Urban League, and in particular with the Urban League Young Professionals.
NULYP considers a professional as anyone who's proficient at what they do. We invite all who have a desire to save our race and foster economic self-sufficiency among our people to join us. We invite all urban professionals, Urban League staffers, professional organizations, Greek letter organizations, and all other like-minded groups to join the Young Professionals movement.
There are a lot of organizations out there, and every organization is not for everyone. However, it's important for anyone to just get involved. I mean, we've kind of adopted a model of just make it happen. I mean, you can talk about the problems and issues that pertain to our demographic, but unless you're getting involved, there's nothing that you can say really that's valid unless you actually take full part and get involved in it.
The national slogan for NULYP is Make It Happen, and that simply means we are focused on achievement, starting with one person working towards the collective goal.
For so long, organizations, people, committees, companies come together to meet. And it's time for a group of us to at least take that seriously and say, let's make it happen and get things started in our own community.
We hope that all of the Urban League affiliates will want to sponsor a Young Professionals chapter. We believe the benefits of the organization make it a win-win situation for everyone. As young professionals, we become a part of the positive support system of our peers and find an organized way to give back to our communities. The affiliates benefit from an amazing volunteer talent pool, which could become a natural recruitment tool for future staffers and CEOs for the movement.
I'd love to see every affiliate have a chapter. I'd love for every chapter to be robust and strong. I'd love for every chapter to take on a major challenge in conjunction with the work of that affiliate and the work of our National Urban League.
One of the main focuses of the Young Professionals movement is going to be how ULYP chapters can best help their affiliates to grow stronger. Many of the affiliates who have Young Professionals chapters can attest to how young people have bolstered their operation.
In Philadelphia, we've been very fortunate, one, to have a young professional organization, but we've been able to include the young professionals in the work of the Urban League as volunteers. And so they're involved in almost all that we do, our fundraising, our community services, our outreach to neighborhoods, our special support to young people. And so we're very proud and very happy to have a growing young professional organization in Philadelphia.
Many of our CEOs do not have the staff or the skill bank that they might need to move into the 21st century. So when you look at the young professionals, they bring a skill set, they bring expertise, they bring time, they bring talents, they bring incredible treasures to this movement that would go wasted otherwise.
The members of NULYP want to lead by example and draw quality members into the organization. We feel that most young professionals only have time in their lives to participate in two organizations. Typically, that's their respective professional association and one other group. We want NULYP to be the organization to which they give the rest of their precious time and skills.
Being a part of the Urban League has changed my life in so many ways. It has helped me personally, professionally. It has helped my business as a young entrepreneur. I think that if people join the Urban League movement, particularly the Urban League Young Professional movement, they have nothing but good things to gain from it.
We have 4 regional vice presidents who will work with the affiliates to build new chapters. We have even developed a how-to guide to help the affiliate CEOs, which includes tips for attracting interested young professionals.
We are seriously committed to helping people, and that's what our focus is. We were founded, the Urban League Young Professionals was founded on community service, and that's about giving back, and that's what young blacks across the country are doing as a part of the Urban League Young Professionals.
The goals of the Urban League movement are: first, to make sure our children are prepared with the academic and social skills they need to succeed. Second, to keep the doors of opportunity wide open in higher education, employment, and in business. Third, to achieve economic empowerment and racial harmony and inclusion for all African Americans.
If you are a leader, this is the place for you. We need you, we want you, and this is the place where you can get the proper training to be a true leader in the community. There's nothing better than the Urban League and the Urban League Young Professionals.
Join us and support the National Urban League Young Professionals now and help us make it happen. Welcome to Dr. Warren E. Smith Health Centers. WES is a well-established community-based health organization that provides comprehensive health care and treatment services to individuals and families. WES offers a full range of direct care services in family health care, mental health, mental retardation, and substance abuse treatment. The mission of WES is to promote the total wellness of the community we serve. through high-quality health and social services provided in a compassionate and effective manner.
Here at WestCare, we specialize in family health services. WestCare is one of 18 healthcare programs offered at Dr. Warney Smith Health Centers.
At WestCare, we strive to make our services highly responsive to the needs of the culturally diverse community of North and Northwest Philadelphia. We want the best for every client that comes in the door. WestCare is the place where everybody knows your name.
WestCare's goal is to provide good health care by identifying services to meet physical and mental health care needs. Do you have a healthcare professional in your life who you call when you just aren't feeling well? If not, do you know your regular doctor? Does your doctor know you? Have you been to a primary care physician within the last 6 months? If the answer to one or more of these questions is no, you need to contact the West Family Health Center now.
We have doctors on staff that can provide routine checkups and make sure that all of your medical information is up to date. Remember, preventive care is the best way to catch a serious medical problem early, which will give your doctors the best possible chance of curing a potentially life-threatening illness.
I believe in WestCare because if I had not come to WestCare when I did, they would not have caught my breast cancer when they did. Because of prevention, I am here today. I am a survivor of breast cancer of 6 years.
How many people do you know who didn't find out about their high blood pressure or heart disease until after their first heart attack? Or how many women do you know who didn't find out about their breast cancer until the final stages of the illness? Too many times we keep saying that we're going to get a checkup and then put it off. Don't wait until it's too late to see a doctor. Contact WestCare today and make an appointment.
Before coming to WestCare, I used to sit at home like most males, particularly black males, and not really consider my health an issue. When I get sick or hurt, I would just try to deal with it as best I could. But since coming to WestCare and getting some things checked out and coming on a regular basis and getting checkups, I found out I have high blood pressure, something I didn't know when I was sitting at home. And other things. And since I've been here, the doctors treat me well, and it's a nice place to come.
Just making sure that the kids have all of their shots for school can be a hassle if you don't stay on top of it. Why not let West Family Health Center be the place where every member of the family can get the health care they need? Why should your kids have a separate doctor's office? The entire family can receive quality care at the West Family Health Center.
WestCare is very convenient for us because not only can my children be seen here, but my husband and I as well. The staff here at WestCare are very friendly, and they pay close attention to my family and I, and they seem to be very well organized because they get us out of here very quickly.
The dedicated staff at WestCare aim to provide good and consistent health care by coordinating the physical and mental health care needs of every client who walks through the door. Our highly organized system will make sure that we are aware of all of your health conditions and treatments. If you or your family members use several of our services, we will communicate within our staff and use a team approach to treat your medical needs.
We have some formal systems and we have some informal systems. The formal system is a series of meetings that we have at the senior level and then successively down the organization, from the senior managers to the division managers to the directors to the supervisors. On a periodic basis, we communicate vertically throughout the organization, and then on a quarterly basis, we communicate horizontally throughout the organizations in the form of all staff meetings. And on a weekly basis, we have case conferences. It's important that we sort of have this cross conversation between programs so that everybody else knows what everybody else is doing.
The West Family Health Center provides services including routine checkups, pregnancy tests, health screenings, and intense treatment for diabetes, asthma, high blood pressure, and other chronic illnesses. We also handle specialty care referrals.
While many other healthcare facilities may try to have non-experienced healthcare providers treat your specialty case, doctors at the West Family Health Center know when to call in expert advice or send you to a specialist.
We're fortunate in getting physicians in West Care here who have a really good approach, good understanding of patients, a good understanding of the broad issues of health, and also a real sensitivity to the need to participate in good teamwork, so that they participate in teamwork in treating patients, working with a nurse practitioner in our setting, but also working with the healthcare professionals that we have in the other programs in the center, mental health programs, substance abuse programs, etc. And they also participate in teamwork in terms of really referring patients to specialists when necessary. They recognize that there are certain broad things they can take care of, but they also recognize there are times when we might have to have a specialist, such as a cardiologist or a neurologist. And so therefore they are sensitive to that kind of referral need.
For Children's Services, we offer routine checkups, immunizations, hearing and vision testing, school and camp physicals, blood work for WIC, and treatments for routine childhood illnesses, including colds, rashes, earaches, and asthma. Our staff of experienced doctors, nurses, and other support staff are available to you every day with 24-hour backup.
West Care is affordable, private, clean, and comfortable. We see our clients in bright examination rooms, and our staff members are friendly and highly skilled. Stop by the West Family Health Center today and make an appointment for a checkup.
Remember, West offers a full range of direct health care services in family health care, mental health, mental retardation, and substance abuse treatment. People are given quality care regardless of disability or income. We take most HMOs, and for those who lack this coverage, we have available a sliding fee scale based on the ability to pay. When you need quality health care, remember West Care, a place where everybody knows your name.
For more information on West Care, contact your current West Healthcare professional or call 215-455-3900. The number again is area code 215-455-3900. You can also contact our website at www.drwest.org. This has been a presentation of Dr. Warren E. Smith Health Centers.